My name is Praveen. I am studying in 7th standard. My school name is GHPS Innovation and Chikkoda Taluk district. My project name is Advanced Food Steps Power Generation System. Nowadays we are facing to electricity problem. So to generate more electricity in new method, I have invented this system. This is Advanced Food Steps Power Generation System. Any person simply walk on the steps. Electricity is generated. You can see now.
चलो चलो
Like this can be used for street lights and other purpose. Materials used: wood, dynamo, bulbs, wire, wheel, dot, pipe. Thank you, madam.